We rely on two major forms of energy to keep our world powered. The fuel that goes into the tank and the electricity that comes out of the socket. When we harnessed electricity in the 19th century, everything changed. Suddenly, a couple of copper wires going into your home or factory could supply the same power as a team of horses or a raging river. Coal may have jump-started the Industrial Revolution, but electricity made it hum. We've come a long way since the early days of electric power, but the principle has remained exactly the same. All you have to do is spin a wheel. The spinning wheel. It's at the heart of nearly every power system on the planet. Take a magnet, spin it inside a coil of wire to free up some electrons, and now you have a generator. This is the electricity machine. The fuel spins a wheel, the wheel turns a magnet. The magnet releases electrons. And presto, everything you need to power a slew of modern appliances. The process is pretty much the same no matter what fuel you use to turn the wheel. Burn coal, boil water, generate steam, spin the wheel. Out comes electricity. Swap out coal for natural gas, oil, nuclear fission, even hydropower. They'll spin the wheel just as well. Whatever the source, all we care about is that the power eventually finds its way into our homes and workplaces. To get there, it has to travel over hundreds or even thousands of miles of power lines through a network we call the grid. Across the globe, the grid links the raw power generated at thousands of power plants to hundreds of millions of users, you and me. And keeping the whole system running are the grid engineers. The German power company 50 Hertz provides electricity to nearly 20 million homes.
Our dispatchers in the control room have a job quite comparable to air traffic controllers. Every second of the day, they keep the balance between production and consumption. Every second, demand, supply at the same level.
For decades, Germany relied on coal to provide most of its electricity. Now it's committed to powering half its electric grid with renewable energy by 2050, generated mainly with one resource, the wind.